Welcome to my channel, Crystal here. Let's get right into this short, effective 5 minutes booty workout. Stand up straight, one leg, big step back. Pulse 1, 2, and 3. Step forward. Use the first few moves to get into the motion. Now the timer is on. Hips back. Drop the hips straight down. Try not to bring the knee forward. Carry the weight of your hips behind you with a strong core. Now let's get ready to meet in the isometric hold in 3, 2, and 1. Hold. Feel the back of the leg light up. Glutes are on, shoulders back. Breathe and feel the burn. Now stand up. Recover. A few deep breaths. Then the same thing on the other side. Let's go. Triple pulse. 1, 2, and 3. Now step to the front. Make sure the hips are backward. When your pulse goes straight up and down. Cores are on, shoulders back. Let's meet in the low lunge in 3, 2, and 1. Hold. Stay with me. Let it burn. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now step up and recover. For the next move, the lateral lunge, walk to the end of your mat. We're going to have a big step to the side. Find that straight line from your foot through your knee. Step back, squeeze the knee towards the chest and find your balance. Don't rush through the move. Stabilize before you drop back down. Now let's get ready for that isometric hold to burn out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Step back, big inhale, long exhale. Let's do the other side. Weight inhale, 1, 2, and 3. Step to the side and lunge low. Come back, squeeze, then lunge. Do your best. Push your limit with caution. Now let's hold. How's that core? Pull the shoulders back, long neck, long spine. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Recover. Our next move is butterfly lift. Come down on the floor, knees apart, arms open on the side. We're going to lift the hips up and squeeze, then drop it down. Now the timer is on. Lift up and squeeze, then drop down. Up, down. Lift up high, squeeze tight. We can also put the knees together and lift, squeeze the hips. Now let's hold up and squeeze. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. You made it. This is our 5 minutes booty work. Squeeze it in whenever you can to tight and reshape your booty. This is Crystal. Thank you for practicing with me today. Enjoy your beautiful day. Bye.